What's up guys, this is Karmkar from Fashion and Fitness Boss, and so today I have made a different video for you guys which is not related to fashion and fitness really, but it is an unboxing video. As you know guys that I have made videos on Nova trimmer earlier in this channel, but today morning Nova has delivered me a free trimmer without any delivery charge at my home for the unboxing of it. So guys, this is my very first unboxing of any product in this channel, so I am a little bit nervous now. So without wasting any time, let's get straight to the unboxing. So hello guys, so today I am going to do this unboxing of the trimmer. So let me first cut the seals of it. Here we go. There it is. We opened it. We see a price list here. There is a card, gift card here, and the company has provided this trimmer to me. Looks like a nice one. So first let me open the seal of it. The box looks like this one. So I have opened the seal, and then there is a demo given, user manual. Here is a battery given by Nova brand. Here is some water substance given. Here is a charger of the trimmer. This is a 9 mm blade. This is a cover to keep the trimmer. And this is a 6 mm blade, and this is the brush to clean the trimmer every day. And now the ultimate trimmer comes in the middle. So here we go, the new trimmer that I got today, a good one. Nice interface, nice look, all over a good trimmer that I got free today in the morning. So I've got this at a free price, and this trimmer was with me from the first, that this Nova company gave me at 70% discount and 400 rupees. The real price of these trimmers are 1400 rupees, but I got this from the sponsor Nova from 400 rupees, but this at a free rate. So that's it from the unboxing part. That's it for my video guys. I hope you like this, but Nova has not provided yet their product link, so I could not give the product below in the description. But if you want to buy this product, buy this trimmer right now, then message me on Instagram or Facebook, anywhere, and I will send the link if Nova sends me the link. That's it from today. See you next time. Till then, stay stylish.